What does right of rescission mean? Have you ever wondered what happens if you change your mind after closing on a home loan? This is where the right of rescission comes into play. So, what does the right of rescission mean? It is a legal provision that allows a borrower or homeowner to cancel certain types of home loan agreements within a limited time frame. Typically, this time frame is 3 business days after closing the loan. This right gives borrowers a chance to reconsider their decision and back out of specific financing contracts without facing any penalties or financial loss. In the world of real estate investing and home buying, the right of rescission mainly applies to refinancing transactions, home equity loans, home equity lines of credit, and reverse mortgages. However, it is important to note that this right does not apply to purchase loans for buying a new home, secondary homes, or investment properties. When a borrower decides to exercise the right of rescission, the loan contract is canceled. This means that both parties are returned to their original positions as if the contract never existed. The lender is required to return all fees and charges paid by the borrower within 20 days and must also releases any security interest in the property. To exercise this right, the borrower must notify the lender in writing within that 3-day window. This can be done using a form provided by the lender or simply by writing a letter expressing the intention to rescind. It is essential to keep proof of this communication and ensure it is delivered on time. From a real estate investing perspective, understanding the right of rescission is important when dealing with refinancing or second mortgage transactions. It acts as a safeguard for investors, allowing them to reconsider terms or seek better financing options shortly after closing. Key points to remember about the right of rescission include that it applies only to refinancing, home equity loans, home equity lines of credit, and reverse mortgages, not to purchase loans. The rescission period is 3 business days following loan closing, and borrowers do not need to provide a reason to cancel the loan during this period. Upon rescission, the lender must refund all fees and releases the lien on the property. There are certain exceptions, such as partial rescission on cash-out, refinances that exceed the outstanding loan balance. Overall, the right of rescission serves as a consumer protection mechanism, allowing real estate investors and homeowners to cancel specific home financing contracts shortly after closing. This right supports informed decision-making and financial flexibility in real estate financing.